What up, everybody? In this video, I'm just going to be making some small changes to like our movement speed, the room, and a little bit of detailed work like that, like which room we're in. I'm going to be put a function in to tell you which room we're in, one or two. I'm going to make that cutscene a little bit faster by changing some numbers. Um, and I'm going to be adding some directional arrows for to tell like there is a room 2 above or side, or like how to get to the room 2. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the code. So the first thing I think we need to do is make our cutscene a little bit faster. And to do that, we have to change a few things. So under our bad guy, we have our grab turtle, our cutscene, our runaway, and everything like that. Um, I don't think we're going to change any of those numbers. I think that can all stay the same. But this number right here is his velocity, as you can see right here. So that's the one we want to change. We want to make it bigger. Um, so let's pretty much just double that. Let's go 10. And then we also have to come over here to the good guys and move turtle 3 and move turtle 2. So under move turtle 2, we want to change this 5 to a 10 as well. I know this hard coding is not the best. Um, but right now it works. So as long as that's a 10 and this is a 10, then let's make him 12. Okay. So these are the numbers. So like if it's down, this she starts getting dragged away. He notices, he starts taking off after her. He sneaks up and grabs her. I think that is all of the numbers that we need to change for that. So let's go ahead and run this. Hopefully no errors. And there we go. So now it is running much faster. I also kind of want to change how fast our main character moves, just a little bit, um, to make it easier, maybe easier to avoid some of the obstacles. So maybe instead of 11, we'll put him up to a 13. Let's just make it an even number. Let's do 15. That might be too fast, though. So, but now we don't have to worry about the cutscene. Let's just select a level. Um, I don't know. Maybe that's okay. Makes it a little easier to avoid some of these enemies, but maybe that's a little too fast. I don't want it to be that fast. Yeah, let's go ahead and make him a little slower. Let's go with the original 13. Um, that'll probably be okay. So it only changes at 13 pixels every time instead of 15. I don't know if it's that much of a difference, but kind of not really. I mean, not as. So that's not terrible. It doesn't seem so zoomy, but it's not so slow. Maybe that's about good. Okay, so the second thing I kind of wanted to do, I'm still thinking on how to finish level 6. The room 2 is not completed. I have a few ideas. I just need to put it together. I will go over that on another video as soon as I figure it all out. But anyways, we have this arrow on room 2, but we need to make it a little bit bigger. I don't know, or we need to just put another arrow here. Oh no, maybe not. So we need to add in another arrow here so it knows that we can go back and forth and everything like that. So maybe we can add some directionals arrows into our levels to kind of help guide where you're supposed to go and the areas that you can go and everything like that. And another thing, I kind of wanted to put a function that tells what room we're in. So let's go ahead and do that first. Let's go ahead and make the function to put our room in to tell us what room we're in. Uh, that should be easy enough. So that'll be a background function. We'll go ahead and put it under here, the little UI interfaces. So this is going to say we got to say define tell underscore room. And this is going to take the screen, which is a pygame.surface. And this is also going to take the level object. So we got to specify, because sometimes it takes the dictionary and sometimes it just takes the object. This time we just want the object, and this is going to return, we're going to say it's a pygame surface because it's going to give us a number and everything. So this one, let's just go ahead and say these are all pygame surfaces. Let's get rid of this, because I don't know, I'm just defining it as a pygame surface because it gives you something. So we're just gonna go text is equal to, and then we got to have all underscore fonts, and then we're gonna do our level font dot render, and then we need to go render, okay, f room, and now we need to go level.room, and then we're going to add a +1 there because it's a 0 and 1 for the computer, and for us it makes more sense 1 and 2. So it's going to show what the the level.room is, and then it'll add 1 to it to kind of make it look like room 1 and 2. So let's just say true, and then we'll just make that black. And then we're going to go text underscore rect is equal to text dot get underscore rect. We're going to say the top right this time, just so we can, top right equals, there it goes. And then that way we can just go the width. We don't have to guess how wide this thing is going to be. And then wait, I don't think I need this blue one. What do we got going on here? Holy moly. I hate how it gives so many options. Makes it so hard to see. Okay, there we go. I didn't say it didn't need to be blue. There didn't need to be 3 of them. Width. And then we'll just say, I think we could probably put this down. Well, I kind of want it on the same one as our show. What was it? Level 37? I don't know how I came up with that random number, but that's what we're going to do. Okay, so screen.blit, and then now we go text, and then text underscore rect. Okay, so now all we have to do is put it in our levels. So just to kind of see if it works, we're going to say tell underscore room, and then we need to go screen, and then we need to go all underscore level. I need to learn how to spell or type, I guess. And then we're going to go level 1. Okay, so let's just go ahead and try that out on the first room before we go ahead and try putting it on the rest of the rooms. So cutscene's working faster. Don't have to wait as long there. And there we go. Nice. See, nice and kind of close to the keys. Tells us which room we're in. So we're in room 1. And there it is, room 2. So if I wouldn't have put that +1 there, it would have said this would have been room 1 and this would be room 0. So there we go. We got our key. We're in room 1. Now we need to go back to room 2. And then we'll go ahead and put it in our rest of our levels. So that'll be kind of easier, I think, and an indication that there's multiple rooms. So to do that, we got to go back to our background functions. And I kind of no, no, I'll just leave them like this. I was gonna try to put it into a function, but my the key and the well, what else did we have? Can we just throw these under self.player? What is? Hold on, what do we got going on here? Where is the player? I bet we could just. Oh no, these ones we can't because we have to change level 1 and 2 and 3 and whatnot, and this is just generic, so never mind. Well, let's just kind of end. I kind of wanted to move these around. Maybe I already did. Have key. Okay, so down here, and we're just gonna paste, and then we're gonna change this to 2, and then change this to 2. And then we're going to take these. Where is it? I think I did it like that on all the other ones. Have key. Where is it? On level 3. Have key. Does level 3 not have a key one? We're going to have to check that out in a moment because I thought we did, but I'm not seeing it anywhere. Oh, it's right here. I am silly. You know what? I'm not gonna copy and paste. We're just gonna go like that. And the only thing I am gonna copy and paste is this part right here. Oh, never mind. Uh-oh, I just kind of realized something. Okay, so we're gonna copy and paste this. We're gonna come back up here to level 2 because level 2 is gonna throw us an error. No, it's not. Level 1 might throw us an error. Oh, maybe not. Okay, I did copy and paste it like that. Wow, I'm just... Alright, anyways. Oh, this is an adventure. I have not... I've been off for a few days, and then this happens. I'm so sorry. So, okay, so tell room, level 3. We're just going to copy and paste this one again and just change the level. We're just kind of going to double check that I did start doing that in all the other ones, huh? Just put the have key in. I don't know why on the first two ones I had it so I had room 1 tell key, room 2 tell key, but since I have it broken down, so these are the only ones I want to show up in just level 1 or room 1. This is just what I want in room 2, and then this is what I want in the whole level between both rooms. So just kind of got to make sure. Yeah, see, I kind of started doing that again down here again too, and I'm not sure why. So we can just move this down here. Oh boy. These cursors, and it jumps all over. Come on. Right here. There we go. And now we need to tell which room. Oh, I didn't even do it on 4. So here's room 4. Yeah, I did. Tell room. And then room 6. I don't have it on room 7 or anything. I don't even have the have key because I don't have a key yet in that one. So we can just do room level 6. Okay, I guess let's go ahead and try this out. I'm gonna go ahead and start from the beginning just to see if it'll transfer over and yada yada, just play testing. Okay, so everything, so we got room 1. Room 2. Is it going to crash? Nope. Okay, good. We're back to room 1. Room 2. Nice. Nice, nice. Okay, everything is looking good so far. So now we can get the key, and no longer am I going to have to try to worry about them being there. Makes this so much easier, so we'll just grab that room. See, yeah. What did I do wrong? All levels. Is it a capital L? What? Tell room on. Well, it was working in room 2. So we're going to go ahead and copy and paste it from room 2. Not really sure what it means. I don't have all levels key air. All levels. Did I cap? Was all the first ones capitalized and I just. So does that mean all the other ones would have? Probably. Okay, I see the issue. Okay, where was it though? Room 1. Okay, we don't need room 1 and we don't need. We gotta collapse all this. We just want the draw levels. Okay, so, and then, see, that's why I always play test it. They're very easy to write, but then you have to go through and implement them all and put them all in. Okay, so we don't want room 1 open. We just want this. So yeah, now we have to go through and, okay, so once again, don't want room 1 and we don't want room 2. We just want the draw level. We need a space here. That's too close. Do not want room 1. Okay, let's go ahead and start on room 3 or level 3. That's where we were at when it. Okay, there we go. Maybe on the next video, we'll go ahead and start changing up the texts. I know I wanted to do that on this video, but trying to get these all implemented into all the levels and whatnot the correct way was taking a little bit longer than expected. But it looks like now it's working. So now it tells you what room we're in and everything like that. Room 2. All right. And then let's get to cutscene. All right. And then let's get our level 5. I don't think I've ever played through the level 5 from the beginning. I've done it with our, in our test area, but I've never gotten here straight from like pretty much the beginning. I guess it wasn't technically, but it was room 3. And then we did do the first 2 rooms. And we did do adjustments here. So this is all much easier. Get by him, get by him. And there we go. It's frozen like that because it doesn't know where to go after that because I haven't written it in or coded it yet. It doesn't go to level 6 quite yet on the actual game. But hopefully on our next video, I'll be able to show off the completed level 6 on room 2, and we'll be able to go to room 7. Room 8 is, level 8 is pretty much going to be kind of a just copy and paste over and modify type deal because it's already got both of its rooms. So once we get to level 8, it'll be much, much easier. Just keep going forward. And after the once we get this game all packaged up and whatnot, we are going to go back to my RPG game and put in some of the stuff I've learned from this again and make it a little bit better and keep going with that and add some more rooms and whatnot. I think I just kind of got stuck because I thought we were just had to do that 9x9, but we'll worry about that when we get to that project. But for now, keep in tuned for updates on this game. Like I said, this maybe I can get this packaged up and have a little kitty game out there or something like that. This I know it's not like big AAA or anything like that, but it's a fun passion project and whatnot. So thanks for watching. Sorry the video took so long. I just got kind of get locked, creative lock, because I don't know how I want to put it together, and it's kind of frustrating. But any kind of comments and likes and would help. So have a great day. Bye.